delving into this research around advancing women and inclusive workplace cultures and investing in the next generation is that this is not just the right thing to do. This is the smart thing to do. Companies with 3 or more women on their board outperform companies that have all-male boards. And there's an increase of 15% in profit and a return on equity of 60%. So more women in leadership, just going from 0 to 3 women on the board makes a difference. And there's a close tie to the policies that they're working on that are friendly to everyone, that are more innovative around flexibility or family leave or just wellness and health. McKinsey reports that efforts to advance equality will add $12 trillion to global growth by 2025. That benefits everyone. That strengthens our society, our economy, global growth. Gender-diverse companies have 3 times higher employee engagement and 22% lower turnover. They're closer because they care about each other and they honor each other for who they are. That starts with us being open and comfortable to have those conversations. I want to make a difference. How can I leverage the skills that I have and use that as an entryway to connect? You're moving, you're going places, you have influence, and so you should be mentoring. You should think about having different types of people, being conscious of wanting to have an environment and an organization that looks like the rest of the world. We have to have courage to try these new things, to speak up in these situations. We have to have endurance to also keep going when we feel challenged as well. This is about everybody working together in collaboration. And by the way, it isn't your fault because a lot of the bias and the problems have existed for centuries and are really built into the systems. That's why we have to work together to break it down.